Initiating startup sequence.
This is AMIR Design Fit to All Tastes Floral Design 4R15. The stowed-away merged keypad, as well as most other keys and controls, are covered by a good-sized multi-touch display. The simultaneous slide of the display moving upward, while accessed easily plate sliding downward, exposes the keypad plate as it elevates and locks in place. This is a modular design smartphone whose modules are the main, the display, the keypad, and the partial button field modules. On the display plate up above, the secondary camera on the left, mounted on a frame, is for video calls. An earset assembly in the middle is housed in a box. The two linear LEDs to the right are for visual alerts. At the very lowest edge of the unit here is the microphone set. Over onto accessed easily plate, the four buttons are quite noticeable, situated on the four corners. FPS assembly sits right in the middle, and the thumb pad, which is designed specifically for the purpose of slide action, sits right above FPS assembly. In the center of the smartphone is the keypad plate, which now is locked in place and having the black merged keypad readily available. The blue EXO button is in the upper center. The red QS/QC is about the middle, and on the lower half of the plate are the horizontal and vertical scrollers. The just mentioned keys are octagon-shaped, and all the components, including the scrollers, are placed on a white floral design background. As it is shown, over onto the display plate is a good-sized multi-touch display. The marginal edge of the two loudspeakers on the left and the right sides of the display are barely visible. Below the display, on the left is the back button, and across to the right is the C. The slide close function is simply performed manually. Presenting the connectors, ports, and switches starting from the lower wall are charger PC connector on the right and ST switch on the left. Right past the corner, over the left wall, is HDMI port. Volume adjusters are next. Screen off-on is right before the following corner, and above them is the left side loudspeaker, now quite visible. The holding band and the first band slot on the upper left corner now come to sight. On the upper wall is standalone power on-off button, and right next to it is the headphone plug. Furthermore, at the upper right corner of the unit here sits the same holding band and the second band slot. On the right wall is just lock-unlock switch, which has the right side loudspeaker above it now quite visible. The unit's exterior is made out of two different materials. One is a synthetic material covered with floral design, and the other is high-quality black chrome polished to a gorgeous shine. The unit's upper face and all-around sides are made out of synthetic material, covered by two different tones of elegant and old-fashioned floral designs. One with white patterns on a red background, and the other is the black patterns on a white background. The material is soft yet firm with tiny prominent bumps, which is noticeable when touched, providing a great grip. The lower part of the unit's face and the back side of the main module is made out of high-quality black chrome. As seen, the accessed easily plate here is polished to a high luster. The entire backside is made out of the same gorgeous-looking, high-luster, polished black chrome material on which sits a AMIR design logo. As the smartphone slides open, the main camera assembly is accessed, exposing the lens, the two flashes, and the eyebrow-looking awning that keeps the assembly protected when closed.
Initiating shutdown sequence.